Struggling to add a product to your cart on Gumroad? Learn the exact 4 clicks to get it done in under 30 seconds. I'll walk you through each step, from the dashboard to checkout. Let's start with the first click. Start by clicking on the Dashboard option in your account menu. Then, head over to the Discover tab to browse available products. Now, click on any product that catches your interest to open its page. Once you're there, go ahead and click the Add to Cart button. And that's it. You've successfully added a product to your cart. Happy shopping! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.